Let's move on to page number 110, 111 and 112. In the previous session, we discussed about penguins' adaptations. They can fly. Their body structure is such a way that the coat of fat which helps to survive in freezing conditions. And today we are continuing the same features of penguin. Most of the penguins walk upright on their hind feet, that is front feet. Penguins can rest on their heel and tail so that reducing contact with the cold ice. And also they all live together, that is in huge clusters, so that to protect them from cold, which helps them to keep warm. They also have heavy solid bones which allow them to stay underwater effortlessly. Its flippers make them to fly in underwater at a speed of 14 to 15 km per hour. It has webbed feet and have streamlined body which help them to swim in water. So far we discussed about polar region animals and birds. Now we are going to discuss the tropical rainforest living organism, that is some animals, some kind of birds. What is the meaning of tropic? Tropic meaning hot climatic region, just opposite to polar region. In tropic region, the temperature, average annual temperature is around 27 degrees Celsius. But in polar region, minus degrees Celsius, very less than zero sometime. In high temperature, in the month of June and during this June month, they reach maximum 10 degrees Celsius. The other days, they will be below minus 10, below minus 30, around that temperature. In tropical area, the sun is almost overhead in the sky. There is very little variation in the length of day and night. This region experiences heavy rainfall. Such a type of tropical rainforest can be found in Western Ghats and northeastern region of Assam. Tropical rainforests are found in Amazon basin in Central America, Congo basin in Central Africa, Malaysia, Indonesia and New Guinea in Southeast Asia. Here the climatic condition and weather condition is well suited for the animals to live, so we can find abundance of animals here. Whereas in polar region, we can find very less number of animals. Birds like toucans, hornbills, they live in canopy. What is the meaning of canopy? The upper layer of the trees which look like a roof-like structure, thick covering on the tree top. While parrots and macaw, these birds obtain their food from the lower portion, lower down in the canopy. Most important feature of toucan bird is its beak. It is hollow, lightweight and reaches about half of the bird's body length. This helps it to reach the fruits on distant weak branches. Such a lengthy, hollow beak of toucans which helps to reach the fruit from distant place. Most of the animals living on trees are arboreal. What is arboreal? They jump from tree to tree. They live in air like monkey, lemurs, apes, orangutan, etc. These animals have rotating arms from which they will jump from branch to branch. Monkeys have prehensile tail. This helps them to swim from branches to branches and also to hang down from branches to reach food. The endangered mammal species are lion-tailed macaw, a medium-sized ape. These all are endangered species in the world. It is found in Western Ghats and spent most of their time on trees. Its special features are shiny black fur and long silver grey mane around the face. What is the meaning of mane? Which is a long hair-like structure which is present around the face and the neck of the animals. These animals feed on fruits, seeds, young leaves, flowers and some insects. Red-eyed tree frog lives on tree top branches and leaves. Its huge bright red color eyes are adapted to scare the predators. These frogs also develop sticky pads in order to have a grip on leaves and branches. Now, some of the animals live on floor of the forest. That includes leopard, gorilla, and elephant. Here we have grouped animals or organisms into three ways in tropical rainforest. One is canopy. What is canopy? The animals organism which lives on the top of the tree. Second is lower portion of the canopy. Third one is on ground. Some animals live on ground. Asian elephants are found in rainforest of Western Ghats, Northeast India and Southeast Asia. They are adapted for having long prehensile trunk which help them to find the better quality food. Its tusks are modified to teeth. With this, it can tear the bark of the trees. Its large ears helps to receive sound waves from long distance. Its ear also acts as a fan in humid habitat. Here insects form a largest community in the tropical rainforest. Varieties of insects like termites, mosquitoes, spider, butterflies and ants. These all insects are found here. Here is an intense competition for food because many animals live in this area because this climate and environment is well suited for their survival. They largely depend on adaptations. Let's move on to next copy is predators protection mechanism, hiding. Animals simply hide in burrows, under rocks, under leaves and tree bogs. The next one is camouflage. Animals like walking stick and some butterflies, they blend into surrounding. They change its color from the surrounding in order to protect themselves from the enemies like predators. The next one is scaring the predators. Some animals convince the predators that they are bigger or fierce than they really are. Like butterflies, they have large eye designs on wings, which make them to look like head of large animals. The next one is warning color and scent. Poisonous animals openly advertise their defense with color and scent. When the predator eats one member of the groups, it gets sick. The memory stays with the predator who will avoid that animal in future.